Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I have a great announcement to make. I keep hearing this word vibe coding, and then I thought let's put it to test and see if we can really vibe code an app or a website in a week. It took me 8 days to do this. The AI tools I used are Codex from OpenAI and I also used Cursor, both of them. Yes. And the reason being that because there is rate limiting per day in how much you can use in 5 hours. So I was exhausting pretty fast. That's where I pitched in and I started using two tools to build this app. 100% AI generated. Every single line of code of this particular website is written by Codex or Cursor. So this is the full launch. The website is customnametrace.com. It's entirely vibe coded. I didn't spend weeks, months or something. Quickly put together an entire website. Now what does this website do? Since I'm into teaching, I love teaching. I want to teach kids also. So what do we do with it? So if you go to that website right now, custom name trace, and enter your name here, you can generate the free worksheets for your kid and anybody in your family. So let's say I'm going with the name Mark and click on open free worksheet, and you can see it generated you the beautiful worksheet that is custom name tracing worksheet for the name Mark. Same way, you can go ahead, change any name, add your kid's name, nephew, niece, help them learn. Same way, you can see you can do a lot of things starting with name A, popular names, trending names, worksheets, coloring, all these things. Everything is generated by AI and not code. So I did not code anything. Everything is 100% driven by AI, that is Cursor built it and Codex built it. Probably in a next episodes, I'm going to show you the process that I used. If you see here, entire maths based worksheets are generated. You can click on create new math sheets and it will generate a new one. All of this dynamic, you can download. Every single thing is perfectly rendered. The design wise, everything is rendered by AI. So go ahead, I can vouch that these tools really work. Do check out the website customnametrace.com. Please share this in your WhatsApp family groups so that other kids can also benefit, learn, talk about it, tweet about it, like this video to keep supporting me. I'll share you my process, the tools that I used in the next episodes. For today, go check out the website customnametrace.com. The link is in description and in comments below. See you in the new website. Happy hacking, guys. Bye.